Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make some yummy chicken donuts. They're a great tea time treat. So in a bowl you want to combine 250 grams of chicken breasts, 120 grams of boiled potato, 3 tablespoons of chopped spring onions, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of paprika. You just want to combine all of this in a food processor, grind it down until smooth. Then you can fill a disposable piping bag with all of this mixture and tie the end with an elastic band. If you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please take the time to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We love all of your support. If you have any suggestions, please leave us a comment down below and I'll try accommodating to all of your requests. Now you just want to line a baking tray with parchment paper and snip off the end of the piping bag and pipe small donuts with the mixture. I'm always looking for new tea time treats and this one is a real pleasure to make. My kids loved them and so did my family. As you can see, the shapes of these do not look perfect, but don't worry, we're going to use a little water to just flatten the tops and fix the shape of these chicken donuts. Then you just want to pop these into the freezer for an hour just to help them set so that they're easier to bread later on. In the meantime, we're going to get on with our garlic mayonnaise. If you don't like garlic mayonnaise, you can always switch this up for regular mayo or ketchup or even chili sauce. So for the garlic mayo, you're going to need 3/4 of a cup of regular mayonnaise, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and just a little black pepper. Mix this well and then pop it into the fridge until you're ready to use it. Now it's time to set up our breading station. You're going to start by dipping the donuts in some plain flour, brushing off any excess, then dipping it in some beaten egg, into some plain breadcrumbs, back into the egg again, and then back into the breadcrumbs. So you want to make sure that these are dipped into breadcrumbs 2 times so that you have a nice even layer of breadcrumbs on those chicken donuts. Just set those aside until you're ready to fry them. Repeat the process with the rest of the donuts. Let's fry some chicken donuts. You want to heat some oil in a pan to 170 degrees Celsius. Fry around 5 to 6 of the donuts at a time for 3 to 4 minutes until nice and golden brown. Flip them halfway through and cook the other side. This recipe is so easy. You guys are gonna love it. If you guys do try this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments down below. Just remove these from the pan and blot on some kitchen towel and you're ready to serve. Don't these look amazing? Thank you for watching everyone. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Much love and have a good one. Bye!